Hi, I'm Caitlin Embrich. I'm an associate attorney here at Sherer Law Offices. We have offices in both Belleville, Illinois and Edwardsville, Illinois. Today, the topic of conversation is cohabitation. We often have clients come to us who have been paying maintenance to their former spouse. And when I say maintenance, I'm talking about spousal support and alimony, not child support. And they believe that their former spouse is now residing with another individual, what we call cohabitating. And they're asking us to terminate maintenance. When we file a petition to terminate maintenance, the courts review several factors. Some of those factors include, but are not limited to, the length of the relationship between the two individuals, whether they go on vacation together, whether they spend holidays with one another, the interrelation of their personal affairs. And what that means is, are they combining finances? Are they helping each other out with bills at home and daily tasks? How much time are they spending with one another? Do they have joint assets such as joint bank accounts, joint vehicles? Are they on a lease together? Are they on a loan together? All of those factors are things that the courts will consider when determining whether or not to terminate maintenance. It is important in many of these cases to hire a private investigator, and we at Sherer Law can help you do that and help you through the process of getting your maintenance terminated if in fact your former spouse is residing with another individual. If you have questions or would like to schedule a consultation, please visit us at shererlaw.com.